Today I'm replacing the center wheel hubcaps for my wife's 2006 Audi A4. They're just really worn out and I have the replacements here. They measure at 68 millimeters. They're also known as 70 millimeters. Rather than putting a bunch of masking tape everywhere to make sure I don't wreck the wheels with a screwdriver, I have an idea. Use a 5/32 inch drill bit, drill right in the center, and then have an Allen hex screw with a vice grips. I believe just a simple drill and a pop off, it'll be done much faster. So let's give it a shot. So I'm gonna go right in the center here. Make sure I don't push too far. Drill in. Let's see how this works. Got a little bit more drilling. And let's see. Ah, okay, that worked really well. And since I'm right here, let's see if these just pop right back on. A little bit of back and forth probably. Ah! There you go! Okay, that was super easy. Sweet, so I'll do them for all four. Oh, a little back and forth on this one here. I didn't control it well enough, but it's fine because it's just a metal piece underneath. And the last one's just go a little slower, kind of finesse it in. There we go, last one. Massage it in. We're kind of working in slowly, pushing in all directions at the same time. There we go. Pops right in. Looks great. This was such a simple, easy, rewarding project, and I think it makes the vehicle look a whole lot better. Really affordable, and yeah, it just took a few moments. If you're thinking about doing this, definitely go for it. These are easy to find, just pre-measure, and you're good to go. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share. I'd really appreciate it. Thanks. Have a great day.